Today is a new day. This is a part of small business that people don't talk about. Sometimes the day didn't go as planned. The vision didn't stretch as far as the fabric. And you start to question, am I really built for this? It's stewardship. This work, this stitching, this sorting, this surrender. Closet overhaul isn't just about cleaning out your wardrobe. It's about clearing out what no longer serves you. In life, in business, in spirit. I ask God to guide my hands and to multiply what He's already given me. And sometimes that prayer is simple. God, help me be a good steward. Just what's in my hands. It's early mornings, late nights, and asking yourself why the vision still matters. But this is the part they don't talk about enough. The quiet discipline of stewardship, using what you have, even if it's just 16 old t-shirts, even if you're sewing through tears, fears, or faith, the size of a mustard seed. Today is a new day. Trust what you build in obedience. God will bless. So I show up to the machine. This is closet overhaul. This is what entrepreneurship really looks like.